This is an ant. Look at the ant carrying the rice. This is a spider. Look at the beautiful web it made. So intricate and sparkly.
Welcome, friends. Meet our new friend.
Whoa, this is a crab. This is a cricket. Oh, look at its tiny legs moving. Oh, isn't that interesting? Yes, it is. This is a goose. Watch how it walks. It waddles. This is a gecko. Aren't they cute? This is a sparrow. They're hopping on the patio looking for yummy rice. This is a squirrel. A cute, energetic young child's voice.